Hello everybody. Welcome to TT Team. Today we are going to be playing Transformers Forged to Fight. If you'd like to. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, and follow us on Instagram. Link in the bio, by the way. So anyways, let's get started with fighting. Well, before we get fighting, I need to collect the ores. Can we still upgrade ratchet? Oh, yes, we can. That is good. That is really good since we have a 5-star ratchet. Is that going to be all of it? Okay, that's good. Amazing. Anyways, collect all this, all 41 of these, or 13. Comment down below for any suggestions on what I need to do, or if I'm doing anything wrong. And yeah, so anyways, let's get started. Okay, I don't know. Yep, okay. So, death? Okay. Anyways, let's start with a level 5. Okay, we're going here. There's probably prizes. We are going to start with a level 5 ratchet versus level 2 Sharkon. Let's go! So anyways, what are you if you have played this game, what are your thoughts on this game? And what is your favorite game? And also comment down below what else I should be doing. Like playing some other games. Barely. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Comment down below if you want any more piece of exciting content. Nope, we're going 320. So anyways, back to what I was saying. Comment down below on what type of mobile games or what type of videos you should do. Random content. We've already uploaded videos on this channel. Our first video is actually that was okay. So anyways, our first ever video was a beta fish video, and we shared some information about beta fish and yeah, other stuff like that. So we just do random whatever we think is cool, we just post it. And we just, I don't keep saying that. Yeah, we just upload random stuff and knowledge videos, exploring videos. We actually introduced it. I just kept hitting him in the corner. just tied at the edge. Okay, yeah, anyways. Yeah, just comment down below any type of thing and that stuff. Oh, that's bad. That is really bad. It's bad during, it's bad when that pops up during the video. So keep him at the corner. No, come on. KO. Oh. Never miss 5-star ratchet, baby. Is there 2 pass? No, there's not. If you can go back, you can. Okay, I'm surprised that didn't get censored. So anyways, let's just keep battling until we get to power. favorite game? Comment down below what is your favorite game. So you actually like Fortnite and that stuff. Any type of games. Mobile, console, any types of that. Just comment down below. 486. Come on, take it one of those. Yes. Come on. Okay. Oh! Get up! Boom! Let's go! Ratchet wins! Mission accomplished. Yes! Now that's good. Oh gosh. Oh. Yep. Thank you. Okay. Of course, we're gonna go for the short style. Okay, 17%? Yeah, sorry, just gotta check. No, we're gonna keep going. Go to the corner. Go to the corner. Yes, keep going. I didn't even need to use my power up. Okay, which level do we need to get at? I'll fight like this might be my last level. And then yeah. Comment down some advice that I need for this game because I started playing this well, I played this game a long time and then I deleted it, got it back, deleted it, got it back, and then it's just I'm not good. KO! Yeah, now I'm just gonna keep it. And then, yeah, hopefully get some good advice from you guys. Yeah, so if you're wondering why we have it's because we call our mom's grandma, our mom's mom or our grandma, because we speak Arabic. Yeah. If you're watching this, TT, we love you. So yeah. Anyways, we got the name because we just kept calling her that. We felt so in love with it, and we just decided to go with the flow and say TT. So, and then okay. So just gotta yeah. So we just started to call her TT, and then yeah. She left, unfortunately, but she'll come back, and then we will make a Q&A with her. Well, we don't know. So far we are at 4 subscribers. Most of our subscribers. Heyo! Most of our subscribers are from us. Well, one of them is from my aunt. But yeah, we just started to get the idea of YouTube. Okay, almost done. And yeah. KO! Okay, one more. We are going up. Gotta get him full health, Ratchet. I can't. I don't have enough energon for it. Last level of this. Special. Keep you at the edge. 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 Oh, yes, yes. Keep you at the edge. Keep you at the edge. No, no, no. Okay. Oh. Let's go. So, yeah. Mission complete. Let's view our missions. Okay. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tomorrow we'll be doing chapter 5. Well, no. Chapter 4. But mission 5 of Transformers Forged to Fight. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. Comment down below what else I should do. And follow our Instagram at 3Yeast3. And that is it. TT Team out.